Are you having trouble figuring out how to make flat panels with your Sentro machine? So I have been playing with this for a couple days now and I finally have mastered it. I have a couple tips for you guys. So first you'll actually mark 1, 2, 3 to the right. You'll put a little Sharpie or sticker there. Then you're going to do 1, 2, 3 from the left of this white tab here. Those markings are going to tell you where you need to go past and stop and then turn around. So these are your turnaround tabs. Let me show you what I mean. I'm holding my yarn for tension, and you especially want to give it just a little bit tighter of a tension when you get to the end of your panel. So my yarn has gone past this black mark here, and we don't want to go any further. We are turning around, so we're going the opposite direction now. We're making sure this here, the yarn came underneath this hook here where the black tab is, and then we're going to slowly go back, making sure we did not drop any stitch. And as you get the hang of it, you can certainly go a little bit faster, but notice I am still holding my yarn for that tension, and sometimes even with the tab I like to hold it anyway. And then we're coming back to the other black tab. We're going to go past it, and once the yarn gets underneath this hook here, so it almost goes on to another one, but it's not. So it actually goes to the one after, but you'll see as we turn around, that's all going to lift up. So I'm going to go back the other direction now, and I'm going to pull my yarn a little bit tighter, and you see how it's hooking on to this black tab here. That's exactly what you want, and you want to just turn back the other direction. You cannot go all the way. You can't go like any further really. This is the biggest panel you can get with this 48 count machine, which it ends up being pretty big, but with these panels you can sew them together and make a number of different things. You can also make smaller panels if you want. Like I've seen people make like triangular bra cups with this. The options are really endless. You got to get a little bit creative and figure out exactly like what you want to make with it, but I think it's pretty cool. I haven't, got extremely creative with it just yet, but I am in the process of making a sundress. And I will also say it works best with 3-ply yarn or like a thinner 4-ply yarn. So keep that in mind when you're buying your yarn for your Sentro projects. Have fun.